MobileXpression runs quietly in the background on your phone and collects data about how you use mobile apps and the internet, and it rewards you just for keeping it installed and active. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what MobileXpression tracks, how the reward system works, and whether it's actually worth installing or something you should avoid. MobileXpression is a market research app. Once installed, it monitors your mobile internet activity and sends anonymized usage data back to a research company. That includes things like app usage patterns and browsing behavior, but it does not directly show personal content like messages or passwords. After setup, there's nothing you need to do daily. The app is designed to run in the background while you use your phone normally. That's the main reason people compare it to passive reward apps, instead of survey apps, where you constantly answer questions. To get started, you sign up through the official MobileXpression panel and install the app after approval. Once your device is accepted, it begins collecting data automatically. Some users also get invited to install it on multiple devices depending on eligibility, but that depends on the program rules. The reward system is based on participation over time, not tasks. You don't complete surveys or missions. Instead, you keep the app installed and active, and your account earns rewards for staying in the panel consistently. One key thing to understand is that rewards are usually not immediate. This is not an app where you install it and cash out quickly. It's built around long-term participation, so patience matters more than activity. The biggest trade-off is privacy. Even though the data is typically anonymized, you are still allowing your mobile usage patterns to be tracked for research purposes. That's the main reason some users install it only on secondary devices, or avoid it completely. Another important point is expectations. This is not a high-earning app and should not be treated like a side income tool. It's closer to a data-sharing program that occasionally gives rewards for participation. The simplest way to think about it is this. You are trading background usage data for occasional rewards, without needing to do any daily tasks or surveys. To summarize, MobileXpression is legit. It runs in the background, and it rewards long-term participation instead of active work. If you try it, install it once, let it run, and don't expect daily earnings or constant rewards. Like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of passive reward apps and whether they're actually worth your time in 2026.